Someone's birthday is coming up in a couple of days. Can you hear me? I don't know. Homework? Anyway, it's his birthday and he found this. You know, these birthday... He wants to give this to someone, to... Come here! Come here and tell them what you do with this thing. He wants... I'll let him tell him. But anyway, the trick is he wants to know if you can do it really slowly. Because when you blow it, look. It goes out really fast. I say it comes really fast, but that doesn't... It rolls out, that's it, really fast. But can you actually do it slowly, was the question. And he wants someone at his birthday to take this, blow it, and wish him happy birthday. Anyway, I'm going to try and do it slowly. Look. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's go over. Oh, why does it go fast? Ah! I'm doing it as slowly as I can. Ah, it always goes over that one humpy. Controlled breathing. It's harder than you think. It looks ridiculous. I know this looks ridiculous, but you have to stop the feeling like you want to go, especially with the eyes. Anyway, no, okay. Always in that same spot. I give up and that just took all my breath. What did you want someone to do with this at your birthday? And say happy birthday? Hey! You try and do it slowly. Go. Try and do it as slowly as possible. It was actually not bad. But still fast than we want it to be.